particularly thinking about this from the point of view of the Secretary of State, whoever that was going to be, it would be crazy to actually pull all the way out of Paris. I would doubt that in the end they would do that, if for no other reason that it would produce huge collateral damage with countries all over the world who would be hugely upset with the United States for doing this. And I don't mean just upset in a way that would affect climate change, but would affect the overall relationship. And parenthetically, as a de jure matter, as a matter of formal matter, nobody can pull out of the agreement for 4 years because it has already entered into force. Having said that, they could pull out of the underlying, the kind of granddaddy treaty, which this is essentially an implementing agreement to, which is the UN Framework Convention on Climate Change. They could do that within a year. Or more likely, they could just, without being formally out, they could be out de facto. You know, this agreement is dead to us. We're going to pay no attention to it. We don't care about any of the provisions. We're not going to participate. We won't be there. We're not going to attend. We're not going to pay any attention to our target, etc. We'll pull out formally when we can. They can do that, and that would have the same effect. But supposing the U.S. scales back, and the U.S. is certainly going to scale back in some fashion. So if they do nothing more than the domestic stuff that I talked about, that will send a message to the rest of the world that we're not going to meet our target, and we're not super serious about meeting our target.